So you've Vive coded your own website and now you want to host it completely for free. This is exactly how. You want to go ahead and go to Cloudflare and create a Cloudflare account. Alright, so I signed up. I'm going to do personal. Just go other. Just founder. One. Just skip for now. Cool, I'm in. So I actually have no idea how to do this, but I'll show you how. I'll give you the fundamentals. So you want to screenshot it, give it to like, I'm using Windsurf, which is basically similar to Code. I'm going to be like, so I just created my Cloudflare account. Where do I go now to get this website up and running for free? And also give me some pretty solid instructions. Okay, so workers and pages. Let's start building. Okay. Let's go connect to GitHub. Cool, I'm in. So let's select the A. This is the repository I want. Okay, let's configure the product. Let's do this. Project name, build command. Yep, npm run build, deploy command. Let me just screenshot to make sure this is correct. Does this look correct? So right now I'm showing you the fundamentals on, this website might not always be the same. Oh. Okay, click back. Let me screenshot this. What should I be clicking correctly? Okay. Looking to deploy, but get started. Get started. Next to looking deploy. Oh, here. Get started. Okay. Cool. Now I'm verified. So let's import an existing repository. Select this one. Begin setup. Frame preset. Okay, Vite. Vite press, React Vite, I guess. PM build. Let's just screenshot. Does this look correct? Does this look correct? Out build. It's normal. Slave and deploy. Wow. I think the website's going to be up and running very, very soon, completely for free. This is crazy. Wow, I didn't know I could get a website up and running this easy and have it hosted for free. Okay, so now let's go to this page. So copy. Oh my God, my website's up and running. Very cool. Wow. Let's go to, say, the privacy. Yeah, it's all done. Wow, I'm very, look at this. Very, very clean. It's hosted. Now anyone can go all over the world. You can access my website, and I did it for free. And I vibe coded this website. This is a vibe coded freaking website. Wow. I'm so happy. So yeah, that's how you go ahead and host your vibe coded website completely for free.